never got the surface down.
They're way out there. That's so cool.
Isn't that pretty?
They're out there on a sandbar?
Yeah.
Wow.
That's a floating sandbar.
That is awesome.
Let's see how far they are
Yeah.
walking.
Yeah.
Here's my flip flops. Oh, that one has something in it. The crab, look, Amy. The crab is in that one moving.
Where?
Right there. There's two of them. One there and there. There are just three. 1, 2, 3. They're all moving. Pick it up.
Oh, I see.
Pick it up, baby. There's a fourth one right here.
There's one right there walking towards you.
Where?
Look, Bailey.
There's another one.
Here,
Oh, they're so tiny.
Bailey.
And that one's there, but it's not moving.
Bailey. Here.
Wow.
Here's a somewhat big one. Oh, you just stepped on one.
Ew.
Oh. Oh, that one has
Look at
something
this
in
little white crab.
it. Oh my gosh. Look at him.
He's so tiny.
Oh, he's hiding. Oh, he just went under the sand.
Oh,
Look
my
at this
goodness.
guy, Amy. He's trying to pull this big, huge shell.
Wow.
There's another white crab. That's scary.
I know. They just come out.